Meaning of disfigure.
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 Disfigure. The term disfigure refers to the act of causing damage or injury to a person's appearance, typically by scarring, cutting, or altering their facial features in a negative way. When someone is disfigured, they may experience physical and emotional pain, as their appearance can have a significant impact on their self-esteem and confidence. Disfigurement can be caused by a variety of factors, including accidents, disease, or intentional harm. The result of disfigurement is generally a permanent change to a person's appearance that can be difficult or impossible to reverse.